we have reached Matka Canyon.
Yes, we finally made it.
Let's take a look at what you're greeted by. So we invite you to come along with us on this beautiful Matka Canyon hike. Let's go. So I hope you can hear me. Right behind me is the Treska River. Where we're going to show you there's a dam. After the dam is the artificially made lake known as Lake Matka or Matka Lake. Yes. Taking this gorgeous view, guys.
Yeah. And we have reached the dam. Absolutely gorgeous. Just so dang beautiful.
Matka Canyon really absolutely is gorgeous.
Absolutely gorgeous, yes.
Let's keep exploring this beautiful place.
Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, it's amazing. True paradise. I don't know about all you guys, but on a reflective day like today, especially for me, this here, all this, that's my idea of heaven. And it was my mother's idea of heaven too. She was never happier, except when she was out in nature like this, fishing, camping, you know, whatever. And I get it. Okay, let's keep going.
Masculine poetry.
So, Matka Canyon, guys, what do you think? I think it's pretty fantastic.
Very, very beautiful, yes.
This is definitely a place my mother would have 100% enjoyed spending a lot of time in. Hiking it, camping it, fishing it, all that. June 23rd, 1951. I know you guys over time, especially the longer you've been with the channel, you've heard me talk about it. But I gotta say, I miss her. You never know, right? That's kind of the whole point of this whole life. That's exactly why Brooke and I preach what we preach, and we live by it, and we try to inspire and encourage others through knowledge, through information, through just outright encouragement. Get out here and live while you can. It's a heck of a life, guys. And we're thankful for it. And if you made it this far in the video, we'd appreciate the hell out of it if you give us a like on it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Share this video with as many people as you think that would find Matka Canyon beautiful or living this kind of life beautiful. So we're wrapping up our time here in Macedonia.
Yep.
This is the last day. We're all set to get on a bus tomorrow in a whole new country, a whole new city, whole new stuff.
Yep.
We still have the video for Skopje coming all on its own.
Yes.
But I wanted to do something special on all days, you know, June 23rd, for a beautiful woman who was born on June 23rd, 1951. And then unfortunately left Earth January 8, 2023. But I wanted to make it all about Matka and all about just doing what I could to honor her. And what better place in beautiful nature like Matka Canyon.
Exactly.
All right, well, we got the Skopje video on the way, like I said. Guys, start leaving some comments and whatnot, letting us know what kind of slow travel content do you want.
Right.
Because we like covering this, you know, all the amazing places that you, and the cultures and the histories of the places you can go to when you live the slow travel life.
Yeah.
That's what we love to cover. And we also enjoy helping others when we see that there's a benefit as far as going over logistics of full-time slow travel. You know, we love helping, but we love mixing it up.
Yes.
You know, so if there's anything that you guys are wanting to know about and feel like we can help you with, please.
Yeah, let us know.
You gotta let us know.
Yeah.
And in our About section on YouTube for the channel, as well as in every single video description, there's always the links on it. If you want to support us further and you believe in what we're doing and you want to help this along, you know, it would be greatly appreciated. We got a handful of links and ways that you can help us keep this thing going. Yeah, we hit 1,000 subs, and that's great. That's a milestone. But you know, please try and understand that's not some like ka-ching, you know, you're in the money, because that's far from the truth.
Yeah.
So, you know, we work every day to keep this thing going, you know, to build this channel and, you know, to get you guys some real value on wonderful places like Matka Canyon here.
Yes.
All right, we appreciate y'all, and tomorrow is our travel day, so, you know, say a prayer for us.
Yes.
You know, especially with, you know, America doing some crazy stuff now. I ain't gonna get into that right now. But we appreciate you. We love you. We appreciate the support. And folks, we will see you in the next one.
See you guys.